It turns out that electricity in Ontario is not free. When we consume electricity in our house or in our school, somebody is paying for this. We pay for electricity using a unit of kilowatt hours. This is not a slash. It's not kilowatts per hour. It's kilowatt hours, sometimes written with a dot in between to make it clear. We are multiplying the number of kilowatts. That's how much energy or how much power we're using, multiplied by how long we're using it for, how many hours we have the lights on, we have our computer on, we're charging our cell phone, whatever it is. This is a more convenient measurement than a joule. The cost of electricity is given in cents per kilowatt hour. This is a crazy symbol that reads as cents per kilowatt hour. To calculate the cost of a device, you take the energy it uses and multiply it by how much the price of the energy is. So for example, we've got a 100-watt light bulb used for 3 hours a day. The price of electricity is 15 cents per kilowatt hour. How much would it cost to write this light bulb for 1 year? So we've got to do some unit conversions here because we've got hours per day and we're running it, we're going to assume every day for 1 year. Let's start with our given. Our given we have right here is our energy or our power. Our power in this case
Ms. Morrow,
is
can you please
100
call the office at
watts.
305?
If we notice, we want this to be in kilowatts. So again, to go from watts to kilowatts, we're going to have to divide by 1,000. So that's going to be 0.100 kilowatts. I've changed my number and I've changed my unit. They must match. Next, I'm going to look at time. My time in this case is 3 hours per day. But I'm going to have to multiply that. We're doing it for a whole year. So we're going to have to multiply it by 365 days in 1 year. 3 times 365. 1,095 hours. All right, every day for 1 year, and we've been told the price. All right. Price in this case is 15 cents. I don't know about you, but I don't think in cents, I think in dollars. To get cents to dollars, we're going to have to divide by 100 to get dollars. So $0.15. All right, there's our given. Let's do our analysis. So in this case, we're going to do cost is equal to, in this case it's power really, we're going to do, sorry, we've got to do something in between. Cost is equal to energy multiplied by price. What we really know is that energy, power is equals to energy divided by time. We're going to have to take this, multiply by time. So really what we have is energy equals price times time. So that means instead of writing E in this formula, we're going to write power times time. Power times time times price. I'm using little dots here. I'm starting to look like X's is a variable. I'd rather use dots or brackets to delineate what my different variables are. My power is 0.1 kilowatt. My time is 1,900 and, sorry, 1095 hours, and my price is $0.15. When I multiply those together, I get a cost of 0.1 times 1095 times 0.15, $16 and 40, I'm going to round the 42.5, I'll round that up to 43. So therefore, paraphrase, it costs $16.43 to use the bulb for 1 year. Sample problem 2. Let's suppose that we use a compact fluorescent bulb. This time the bulb that uses only 20 watts of power as opposed to 100 watts. Do the same calculation. How much do you save? So let's do the same thing. This time our power is only 20 watts, and again we got to change that to kilowatts. Our time we've already calculated is 1095 hours. Our price is only 15 cents. Alright, so we've made our formula. Cost is equal to power multiplied by time multiplied by price. We have 0.020. Our time is 1095 and our cost is 0.15. 0.02 times 1095 times 0.15, $3.29. So savings, we're going to take our old price, which was $16.43, minus our new price of $3.29. And what have we saved? 16.43 minus 3.29. We've saved 13.14. Paraphrase. You save $13.14 by switching to a compact fluorescent bulb.